Now today we have learned first program in SAP ABAP. This is our SAP GUI. Now in SE38 we have write our code of ABAP. First we go and code SE38. I have already done this task, so no need to create if you have already created your program. But the previous I have created, so I am showing this program to you only. See first, this is my first program. Here no standard page heading. I don't want to show my page heading. That's why I have written no standard page heading here. Write statement. This is the ABAP keyword, which is case insensitive. We can write in both caps lock as well as in upper and lower case in ABAP standard keywords. This is my first program. This is which is a string, which is written in single quotes, and this one is second string, and this one is third string. Here the forward slash is given because we want to insert new in a new line. We want our output. So here first see this is inactive this program. So first save it, check the syntax, then activate it. Now see this is the activate button. When you hover on this button, then also it is written activate. Control plus F3. Now activate, then F8. All outputs are shown here. Then we want to create a keycode for this program. Then go on keycode that is SE93. Already I have created, so I am just showing you. This is the keycode. Here you need to give a program name. Screen number as it is, it will come by default. Save whatever the package you have created your own, or you can also save in a local object. If you save in local objects, just it happen a little bit things like it doesn't move to development to quality to production. So if you want to move your programming development to quality to production, then you must need to create your own package, and you need to save your program in that package only. So your keycode is created. Then go on screen. Here you need to create a folder first. If you want to add as a fabric in your program, this is the first program. I have created this folder. Inside this folder, you can insert your program. Give the program name. You can directly access your program from here only. You can see on that program, whatever we have created in SE38, 3 things I have written as a string, 3 string. So you can also access your program when you add your program as a fabric from SAP GUI. Thank you for today.